Five, six, seven, and side, back, rock, forward, shuffle, step, quarter, cross, side, rock, cross, back, sway, sway, side, close, forward, shuffle, forward, rock, half shuffle, step with a flick, cross, shuffle, side, rock, behind, side, cross, hold, cross, quarter, side, back, rock, forward, shuffle, step, quarter, cross, side, rock, cross, back, sway, sway, side, close, forward, shuffle, forward, rock, half shuffle, step with a flick, cross, shuffle, side, rock, behind, side, cross, hold, cross, quarter, side, back, rock, forward, shuffle, step, quarter, cross, side, rock, cross, back, sway, sway, side, close, forward, shuffle, forward, rock, half shuffle, step with a flick, cross, shuffle, side, rock, behind, side, cross, hold, cross, quarter, side, back, rock, shuffle, cross, side, rock, cross, back, sway, side, close, forward, shuffle, forward, rock, half shuffle, step with a flick, cross, shuffle, side, rock, behind, side, cross, hold, cross, quarter, side, back, rock, shuffle, step, quarter, cross, amber, cross, back, sway, side, close, forward, shuffle, forward, rock, half shuffle, step, quarter with a flick, cross, shuffle, side, rock, behind, side, cross, hold, cross, quarter, side, back, rock, samba, cross, back, sway, side, close, forward, shuffle, forward, rock, half shuffle, step, quarter with a cross and restart, side, back, rock, cross, samba, cross, back, sway, side, close, forward, shuffle, forward, rock, half shuffle, step, quarter with a flick, cross, shuffle, side, rock, behind, side, cross, hold, full cross, quarter, side, back, rock, step, quarter, cross, samba, cross, back, sway, side, close, forward, shuffle, forward, rock, half shuffle, step, quarter with a flick, cross, shuffle, side, rock, behind, side, cross, hold, full cross, quarter, side, back, rock, forward, shuffle, step, quarter, cross, side, rock, cross, back, sway, sway, side, close, forward, shuffle, forward, rock, half shuffle, step, forward with a flick, cross, shuffle, side, rock, behind, side, cross, hold, full cross, quarter. Well done.